This is a 2007 GMC Envoy SLT, 147,000 miles, local trade-in, senior owned. Very good condition, perfect cash car. Super clean. You won't find a door ding in this thing. Tow package. Cargo area still has the cargo cover. Brand new tires. It's running, it needs nothing. Little grill guard in the front. Moonroof. Beige leather interior, power seats, heated seats. $147,000. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seats, heated seats. So this is a 2007 GMC Envoy SLT, 147,000 miles, local trade, senior owned, needs nothing, perfect cash car.